In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero. If you're managing your finances using Xero, you know that sometimes errors happen, or you may need to reverse a bill for one reason or another. Let me guide you through this process to make it as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, after you've successfully logged into Xero, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if you're not already acquainted. The dashboard is your central hub, where you'll begin most of your financial management tasks. Your next step is to navigate to the Business section. To do this, simply find and click on Business, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you should select Bills to Pay. This is where all your recorded bills are stored and managed, making it vital for handling your transactions efficiently. Once you're in the Bill section, your task is to locate the specific bill you wish to delete. Depending on the volume of your transactions, you can either scroll through the list to find the bill or, for more precision, utilize the search function. This is especially useful if you're dealing with numerous entries. Once you've identified the intended bill, click on it to access its details. Taking this step ensures that you're dealing with the right bill before proceeding with any deletions or edits. Now, look for the Less Payment link associated with that bill and click on it. This action is crucial as it allows you to manage any payments linked to the bill, which is a necessary step in the deletion process. After you've managed the payments, find and click on the Options menu situated somewhere on the page. The Options menu presents a list of actions you can take related to the bill. Within this menu, you'll see the Remove and Redo option. This is the function that enables you to delete the bill. Select Remove and Redo, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Xero implements this step to ensure that you're absolutely certain about deleting the bill, effectively preventing any accidental deletions. To finalize, you'll need to click Yes to confirm your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a bill in Xero. It's always a good practice to review your actions and confirm that everything appears as it should. This step ensures no data is unintentionally lost in the process. If you have any remaining questions or require further clarification, Xero offers a robust support system and numerous online guides to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful.